Good morning. So in today's video, I'm going to do a quick review about magnets as we talked about, or we've been talking about magnets this week. So what is a magnet? First, we have to ask ourselves this question. What is a magnet? A magnet is an object that can pull things made of iron and steel. And we have to know that the meaning of the word pull is like when you cause movement toward oneself or drag something towards yourself. So this is how a magnet does pull stuff or pull stuff. So a magnet has two poles, and I told you guys about it. We have the north seeking pole and the S seeking pole, and we have to know that the S refers to the south and the N refers to the north, okay, or indicates north, and the S or the letter S indicates south. So I have like three, I have three things that I'm going to show you today. It's like sorting things. So I'm going to search for more or look for more in order for you guys to do it without me helping you, without me showing you. I need to know or understand, or to make sure that you guys understand what I'm saying, okay? So as we know, or as we learned about repel, or the word repel, and it means to push away from something. And I told you that magnets repel each other when they have the same, or the two poles are the same. For example, the north seeking pole is in front of the north seeking pole. So this is how, or that is how, like, magnets repel each other. And when we have the north and south in front of each other, or standing in front of each other, or here it means attract, or the word that we have to use is attract. Okay, so we have the word attract and the word repel, and attract means like to pull towards something. So here, to push away when the arrows are like this, and when the arrows are like this, we're gonna know that it means to attract. It means like to pull towards something. Here to push away, and here to pull towards something. So when we have attraction, it's like pulling towards something. And when we have repel, it means pushing away from something, from something, okay? So now let's see the first exercise. Here we have the magnetic and non-magnetic, and we're gonna guess which things are magnetic and which things are not magnetic. And I need you to know that magnetic things are made of what? Iron and steel, okay? So let's start with this one. It's made of like, I think it's made of something like from the materials that we know or that you don't know, guys. So it's gonna be magnetic. Okay, what about this cage? It's going to be magnetic as well. What about the chair? Is it magnetic or non-magnetic? It's non-magnetic. Okay, what about this one? Okay, it's not a tower. It's not a real tower, okay? It's not the tower that we have in real life. It's just like a small example of it. And what about an apple? Is it magnetic or non-magnetic? Of course it's going to be non-magnetic. Okay, what about the paper clip? It's magnetic. What about the chicken? Is it magnetic or non-magnetic? Of course it's non-magnetic. What about the book? Non-magnetic. Let's see if my answers are correct. Ooh, yes. So, okay, this is a question that you have to answer in your notebooks. You have to spot any magnetic objects around your home. So if you have any magnetic objects that a magnet can attract inside your home, you have to write them down, okay? For example, the things that are on the fridge, they are magnets, right? Or they're magnetic. So we have to know, or we have to write some things that are magnetic and non-magnetic. Now let's move to the other exercise. So here we have to sort the things that we have in front of us to magnetic and non-magnetic. Okay, let's start with the wrench. It's magnetic. Drawing pins, they're magnetic. T-shirt, it's non-magnetic. Metal spoon, magnetic. What about the blanket? Imagine that if it's magnetic, okay. Wooden block, it's non-magnetic. What about the toy baby? Non-magnetic. Bottle of water, also non-magnetic. What about the nail? Magnetic. Safety pin, magnetic. Okay, I need you to pay attention to this. Here, the coins or these coins are what are magnetic. Okay, some coins or some pennies are non-magnetic, but some coins are magnetic. So it's kind of confusing, but I need you to know that coins are magnetic here. Okay, so these are coins, magnetic. Glass, it's non-magnetic. Keys, they're made of metal, so they're magnetic. Shoes, magnetic. Paper clip, magnetic. Scissors, what about scissors? Magnetic. Toilet paper and magnetic. Newspaper and paper. Let's check my answers. Real, great job. Did you get it all right? If yes, you did a great work. So that's it for this exercise. Now let's move to the final or last exercise for today. I'm just close it. Okay. So here we have to answer Okay. Here we have to answer 3 questions. Actually, they're not 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 questions. Now let's start with the first one. We have bar magnets and 2 bar magnets actually. And here we have North Seeking Pole and the South Seeking Pole in front of each other. So these poles, what do they? Do they attract each other or repel each other? What do you think? Okay, we're gonna know that they attract each other because they're different. Okay, if they are the same, they're gonna repel each other. So that means that the magnets push each other away, or the magnets pull together. That means that the magnets pull together. Okay, and what about this? Is this the source, or this represent the source? Source, what? Okay, this represent the south, or this represent the north? What do you think? Here we have S, so it's gonna be south. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. These poles. Okay, we have the North Seeking Pole in front of the North Seeking Pole. Do you think that they're going to repel each other or attract each other? Of course, they're going to repel each other because they are the same, right? And that means that the magnets push each other away. Okay, let's see the last one. What about the N? Does it represent the north or the south? Of course, it's going to represent the north. Let's see our answers. Yep, got it right. Okay, guys, that's it, or that's all what I need you to know about magnets. If you have any questions about magnetic forces and magnetic pole and, like repelling and attracting, or attraction or repel, so I need you to ask me, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this unit, and by like finishing this lesson, we finished the 2 books and 2 books, and we're done with the science material. And I enjoyed the semester with you guys. I really enjoyed it. You guys did very good job, like in understanding and listening and actually speaking. And I'm really proud of you, and I hope you enjoyed me teaching you, or the fact that I taught you this semester. Good luck! And next week is gonna be all the classes are gonna be review classes. So we're gonna review the units and the lessons together, or the final material together. So have a nice weekend, have a nice day, and thank you for listening.